Hi guys, in the previous videos I showed you where to download and how to install the Oracle Database 11G Express Edition software and a quick overview of the Oracle Application Express that comes with it. In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade that version to version 5, which is the current or which is the latest version as of this recording. So to download the software, you need to go to the website. That's apex.oracle.com. Then click on Get Started and download on RPM. Okay, so this is the download page. Overview of the software is here if you want to go through it. So basically, Oracle Application Express or Apex helps you build applications using only a web browser. So this is mostly on web applications. So they have Apex on cloud. They have this free trial on apex.oracle.com, and you can also download the software on your local machine, which is what we're going to do now. So go back to downloads and accept the next agreement. So you have two options here: download all languages or English only. So in this case, let's go to all languages. Okay, as usual, Oracle requires you to have an Oracle account in order to be able to download most of their software. So let me just go ahead and log in. Okay, so download. As you can see here, I've already downloaded this before, so let's skip that part and proceed with installing the software. So let's see, download. Basically, this is just a zip file containing multiple SQL scripts for Oracle. So let me extract this into a folder. I'm extracting it here because these files will need to stay on the local machine in order for the Apex to run. So just pick any location where you're convenient on, or which is convenient for you. So while we're extracting, let's go ahead and go to the installation guide. We're going to use the Application Express embedded in the PL SQL gateway. There are actually other ways to install the Application Express, but let's do this one for now. Okay, let's go to the accessing the installation script. Okay. So the first thing we did, we unzipped the downloaded file and the C drive, and let's go inside. Change your working directory to Apex. So running the Application Express installation script, you need to start the SQL class and execute the Apex install SQL script using the following parameters. So this is the command that we're going to execute. So let's go to Start, All Programs. What we did on the previous videos is to go to this run SQL command line, but for now we're going to need to go to the command prompt because we need to be in the directory of the Apex script. But we can just run the SQL from here. So since the script is in A, C, in Apex, in Apex. Okay. Now we're going to execute the SQL plus command. Let's just say SQL plus then slash no log. So you can see this is basically the same as running the SQL command line. And now we can connect as this, enter the password. Okay, to execute the script, we can just copy and paste this command here and press enter. Okay, this is going to take a few minutes. Okay, now that the installation is done, the next step is we need to create an administrator account. So we need to run the APX change password SQL script. Going back to the command prompt, let's run SQL plus again. So SQL plus space / no logs. Then connect shift/VBA, enter the password, and run this script. So, copy and paste this one. Okay. Okay. Then password. Okay. We have successfully changed the password for the admin user account. So next thing we need to do is to configure the embedded theoretical gateway. There are a few steps here, but let's skip to the updating the images directory. So let's go to this. So basically run the apex config, apex epd config.sql, passing the file system path to the base directory where the Oracle Application Express software was injected. So in my case, going to be copy and paste that, then C apex should be in apex 5.1.4. So apex 5.1.4. And press enter. This is going to take a few minutes. Okay, now that the apex epd config script is done, basically what that did is load all the images from this directory into the database. So next thing we need to do is verify if the XMLDB protocol server port is running. So going back to the CLI, and we just need to execute this select command. So we just copy and paste that here, and the port is 8080. Okay. If the port number returns 0, it means that the Oracle XML DB protocol server is disabled. So if you got a 0, just go ahead and proceed to the next step, which is enabling the protocol server. This will just execute db-ns_cd that HTTP port 8080, and you can actually use a different port number here if you prefer. Okay, now that we've verified the port number, let's go ahead and go to the Oracle Application Express user interface. So just type in http://127.0.0.1 and the port number. And since we are using the embedded PL/SQL gateway, the next would be /apex. Okay, if you watch my previous video regarding the overview of the application express. We created a Workspace HR and then pre-configured admin account. And okay, let's enter the password. And here is the updated version, upgraded version of the Oracle Apex. So, okay, and this is the sample application we created before. So let's run it again, demo. Okay. Okay, so if you want to create another workspace, you have to go to the admin page of the Apex user interface. So to go there, you just need to go back to http 127.0.0.1 port 8080. Then since you're using the embedded SQL, that's Apex, then Apex admin. Okay, and then just type in the admin that we created during the installation. And then enter the password for that as well. Okay, so basically this is the admin page where you can manage request instance workspaces and any administrative functions. So creating workspace, you can create workspace, enter the workspace name, workspace ID, and workspace description. So okay, thanks for watching.